This is Ross from JeepLab, and I'm going to unbox for you the Wilton 1755 Tradesman Vise. This has a 5.5-inch jaw. Let's get it open and see what's inside here. This is how it comes. Comes in another box on top of this one. Some bubble wrap in between, but this is the main meat and potatoes of it.
I'm speeding up the video because the vise itself is 53 pounds and the box that holds it has to support that weight during shipping. So the box itself is very strong with very thick cardboard and also metal staples. It took me a minute to get in, but it was worth it once I did.
A little greasy, like that. It's very greasy. There it is, that's how it comes out. Here's some video of the vise operating. This is just out of the box, it's not even bolted down yet. You can see it here, there's nothing, it's not being held down, but this is how smooth the vise is. Really well oiled from the factory. This is what we got as far as. It's really got a nice finish on it. That's about it. Now watch these jaws come together. They should be perfectly parallel. There they are. Pretty vise.